How do cultural expectations influence the diversity of sexual experiences? What is premature ejaculation and how can it be controlled? Hello to all lovers of psychology and sexuality. Today, we will unveil the sexual curiosities of women. If you are interested in these topics, make sure to subscribe and activate the notification bell to not miss our future videos. Also, leave us comments and share your experiences in the section below. Let's get started. Cultural expectations impact the diversity of sexual experiences by influencing norms, gender roles, and attitudes towards sexuality. These expectations shape communication, sexual education, and acceptance of sexual diversity, contributing to either a more inclusive or restrictive view of sexual experiences. Premature ejaculation is the inability to control the timing of ejaculation during sexual intercourse. It can be controlled through ejaculation control techniques, sexual therapy, prescribed medications, and psychological counseling. Cultural differences. What is considered a fetish can vary across cultures. For example, in Japan, cosplay culture, dressing up as fictional characters, is widely accepted and can be a way to express sexual fantasies. Cultural influence on masturbation. Attitudes toward female masturbation can vary depending on cultural and sexual education received, with some societies being more open and others more conservative about it. Cultural stigma. Despite growing acceptance, anal sex has often been surrounded by cultural stigma, which may affect some women's willingness to try or talk about it. Customization. Many sex toy manufacturers offer the option to customize products according to customer preferences, including colors, shapes, and specific functions. Decorative items. Decorative elements inspired by the Kama Sutra, such as figurines, paintings, and sculptures, are popular for those wishing to incorporate sensuality and erotic art into their home. Deep sensations. Some women prefer positions that provide them with a sense of depth during penetration, such as missionary with their partner's legs elevated or doggy style with downward tilt. Delayed orgasm. Some men may experience what is known as delayed orgasm, where they reach orgasm after a prolonged period of stimulation. It can be a satisfying experience for some, but frustrating for others. Depth of penetration. Some women prefer positions that allow for deeper penetration, such as missionary with legs raised or spooning, as they can experience a greater sense of fullness and stimulation. Distraction. Techniques. Some men use distraction techniques, such as thinking about something unrelated to sex, to delay ejaculation and prolong pleasure during sexual intercourse. Diversity in sexual practices. Sexual practices vary widely among individuals and cultures, and what one person considers erotic or pleasurable may be different for another. It is important to respect the diversity of sexual expressions. Diversity of fetishes. There is a wide range of sexual fetishes, ranging from inanimate objects, body parts, specific activities, to particular situations or contexts. Some common examples include foot fetishism, bondage, voyeurism, among others. Diversity of libido. Libido, or sexual desire, varies from person to person and can be influenced by physical, emotional, and social factors, as well as hormonal changes. Diversity of sexual orientations. In addition to heterosexuality, there is a wide range of sexual orientations, including homosexuality, bisexuality, pansexuality, asexuality, and more, reflecting human diversity in terms of attraction and desire. Dominance and submission fantasies are common in human sexuality. Some people enjoy dominant roles, while others prefer submissive roles in sexual relationships. Dopamine effect. During foreplay, neurotransmitters like dopamine are released, which are associated with feelings of pleasure and reward, making foreplay a pleasurable and exciting experience for women. Dry orgasm. In addition to dry orgasms mentioned earlier, some men may experience retrograde ejaculation, where semen enters the bladder instead of being ejaculated outward. This is not harmful, but may affect fertility. Ecological toys. With the growing environmental awareness, sex toys made from eco-friendly and sustainable materials, such as bamboo, recycled glass, and medical-grade silicone have emerged. Effects of pornography. The consumption of pornography can have varied effects on people. Some may find that it enhances their sex life and intimacy, while others may experience negative effects, such as erectile dysfunction or relationship problems. The key is balance and moderation. Effects on neuroscience. Studies have shown that exposure to pornography can affect brain plasticity and the brain's response to sexual stimuli, altering sexual perception and preferences. Effects on self-esteem. Some people in open relationships report experiencing an increase in self-esteem by feeling desired and valued by multiple partners. However, this may vary depending on the individual and relationship dynamics. Effects on the body. During a male orgasm, muscles contract and semen is released. This fluid release is part of the reproductive process and may contain sperm for fertilization. Ejaculation and orgasm. Unlike men, ejaculation and orgasm do not always occur together in women. A woman can experience an orgasm without ejaculating, and vice versa. Emotional challenges. Although open relationships can be exciting and liberating, they can also pose emotional challenges. Feelings of jealousy, insecurity, or competition may arise and require careful handling by all parties involved. Emotional intimacy. The ability to establish a deep emotional connection and express genuine love and affection is often considered attractive. Empathy. The ability to show empathy and understanding towards the feelings and needs of others can be an attractive trait in a man. Empowerment of the partner. Valuing and supporting the growth and success of the partner is important in a relationship. Erectile dysfunction and cardiovascular diseases. Erectile dysfunction can be an early sign of cardiovascular disease, as both conditions share similar risk factors such as high blood pressure, high cholesterol, and obesity. Erectile dysfunction and couples. Therapy. Erectile dysfunction can have a significant impact on a couple's relationship. Couples therapy can help address communication issues and improve sexual intimacy between partners. Erectile dysfunction and masturbation. Masturbation does not cause erectile dysfunction. In fact, it can be a useful way for men to maintain sexual health and erectile function. Eroticism in literature. Erotic literature has been an integral part of writing throughout history. Famous authors like Anais Nin, Henry Miller, and E.L. James have contributed to this literary genre. Ethics and responsibility. Open relationships require a high level of responsibility and ethics. Couples must be respectful of each other's feelings and boundaries and address any conflicts or issues openly and honestly. Human sexuality is a fascinating and diverse field that never ceases to amaze us. Sexual curiosities unveil the wonderful complexity of the human experience in the intimate realm. As we explore and understand these facts, it is crucial to remember that each individual is unique in their sexual experience. Respecting and communicating with your partner are the keys to a satisfying and healthy sexual life. Sexual education and understanding are essential tools for fully embracing our sexuality.